This is the first question, so do not panic if you just know how a box plot works. This is just about reading what it says. It summarizes 15 data values. What is the median of this data set? Even if you don't know how box plots work, you probably, hopefully, know what median is. That's just the middle number when everything is arranged from least to greatest. So I know that this is obviously arranged in a weird way, but middle hopefully just gets you to the middle of the box, which is 5, and that is the answer. Let's use this, though, as an opportunity to just review what a box plot is telling you, because if it comes up on a later question, they might ask for something more complicated. So let's zoom all the way in here. As I said, the middle of the box is the median. The other two pieces that are really easy are going to be the whiskers. Sometimes it's called a box and whisker plot. The rightmost whisker is going to lead us to the maximum value, and the leftmost is going to get us to the minimum value. So those three pieces hopefully are all you need to know for most box plot questions. But there are, of course, going to be these other two components right here and right here, the two ends of the box. And these are sometimes called the lower or first quartile and the upper or, doesn't fit, upper quartile or the third quartile. So basically what's happening is the whole thing is medians. We have a set of data, and the median is dividing that set into two halves. So half of the numbers are to the left of the median, half of the numbers are to the right of a median. So we use this concept when we just have a frequency chart or a list of numbers. Median is just an important concept in statistics. What a quartile is, you might be able to get this just from the word, is it's dividing the set into quarters, into fourths. So essentially what's happening is we are taking each half. So the first half of this set is however many numbers from 2 to 5. And then the middle of that half is going to have a median of 4. So it's basically like you take the median to divide the set in half, and then each quartile is then taking the median of each half. So the same procedure that we would use to find a median of a normal set by crossing out numbers on each side till we get to the middle, we would then be able to take each half of the set and do the exact same thing to find the upper and lower quartiles. Most of the time on the SAT, we don't need to do this. We might be asked about it in a more definitional kind of way, but I think the biggest thing to know about box plots is that they're not that bad if we just know what all the pieces mean. Usually we're just being asked where things are. So remember the minimum and the max, that's easy to remember because it's the minimum and the max. It looks like it's extending those points. And then for the rest, just remember it's all medians, not mean, not average, okay? Average is gonna be and different stuff. But the median is the middle of the box, and the half of the half, the medians of the medians, are the edges of the box. With just that knowledge, you should be able to answer pretty much every question that's gonna involve box plots on the SAT.